So hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job sharing series. Exactly what does we do? We say job needs for the freshers, for the experienced people, those who are in cybersecurity, right? So let me start with the first job. So there is a company, Cyber Warfare, is hiring for the red teamers. So they are hiring for red teamer interns. It's a paid internship. It's in Bangalore, which is in Karnataka, and this is a on-site, right? So this is what they're looking for. Next is someone is hiring. The company name is Zero Day. I don't know from where they are getting that. Zero Day is the company name. They are hiring for cybersecurity freshers. They are hiring for VAPT interns, which is on web, network, and application security. This is mail ID on which you can send a resume, and probably if you get hired, just let me know in the comment box. Next one is application security consultant, which is for VAPT consultant, is getting hired in Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai. It's for freshers, like freshers. It's 1 year's experience. It doesn't means experienced person. Responsibilities, all those things you can see here, and the other technical skills requirement is you can see here. Qualification is this is what you can see, and read it out. Just pause this video, you could watch, and this is the mail ID on which you can send your resume, right? If you get selected, that's well and good. Next is cybersecurity defense trainer. Okay, they want a blue team person who can train the people. 15,000 per month you'll get. It's in Chennai, and the other things have should have trainers, should have experience, and all those things. Eligibility is BTech, MTech, MCA, MS, IT. Graduate is from 2021 to 2025 batches, and they are the skills requirement. So it's like 2021 to 2025. So it's still like if you pass in 2025, you are considered as a fresher. You can join this, right? This is a good, like if you're not having any job, if you have knowledge, then this is a good point to join, right? So you can join it from here. This is a mail ID, and meanwhile, if you're not getting response, you can contact this number. And next one is basically SIEM and EDR engineer, which is this is for the experience, right? If you have experience, then only join. It's in KPMG, but probably they're going to pay you a good amount of salary, right? You can see all those things here. Now next one is again someone is hiring for SOC lead L3, one position there, 6+ years of experience required. L2 analyst, two positions is there, 3 to 5 years experience required. L1 analyst is six position, 1 to 3 years of experience required. So location is Gurgaon, and this is mail ID, right, where you can see. Next one is Comcast hiring is for L2 network engineer. Guys, I always prefer, like if you want office work, then don't go for a networking job, but probably this job is something which you need to work from the office, right? As you can see, nothing wiring is mentioned over there. Otherwise, you need to work on the ground. Meanwhile, if you're applying for this job, you can check out this URL, this mail ID on which you can forward your resume, and this is mail contact number on which you can contact for getting update. And March 14 is the interview date, right? And anyways, this is the next one. Pen testers is getting hired. The other things you can see here, 2 to 3 years of experience is required. 2 to 3 years of experience should you have, right? Responsibilities, this is what you can see here, and this is what you can see the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Its location is Madi. कहाँ है भाई मादी, बताओ मुझे. नेटवर्क इंजीनियर L3 ओपनिंग दे अगेन एक्सपीरियंस 22 लाख ये तुम्हें दे रहे हैं. दे आर गोइंग टू पे यू, सॉरी फॉर द इंडियन एसेंट, 22 LPA they are going to pay you. Skills should be routing, switching, SED1 and FortiGate. This is mail ID tanisa.jn@getimpactinfotech.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? By the way, these are the mandatory skills you should have. Meanwhile, if you're looking for an internship, check out both the URLs. You'll get skills here, you'll get experience certificate here, and you'll get something which is truly amazing, right? And guys, meanwhile, there is something for you. If you're watching this video till now, we have a gift for you. Just comment it down. Free cryptographic course, and literally I'm going to give you a free cryptographic course for absolutely free. You don't have to pay from VIH group, and you will get a 100% coupon code, and after completion you will get a certificate. So till now, if you're watching, just let me know in the comment box, right? And just let me know the minutes when you have heard all those things. Anyways, next one is someone is hiring security team, and they should conduct web, mobile, and network VAPT. They can identify and explore vulnerability, OWASP top 10, and all those things you can see here. 1 to 2 years of experience in required, and they should have proficiency in Bob Suite, Nessus, and Kali Linux. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is someone is hiring for the security intern. The key area of interest is VAPT, cloud security, DevOps. Bug bounty experience is a plus point. It's a Gurgaon based role, and this is what you can see from where you can apply, right? Next one is exciting opportunity, GRC. 8 years of experience required, and this is what you can see, the mail ID and all those things, right? Next is hiring professional for one position for senior network architect and network engineer. Okay, and this is what they're looking for, and this is experience range like 12 years of literal experience required, right? Now that's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.